Hiya and welcome to Rum Club unboxing for April 2022. So let's just dive in. So first of all, we've got a Stratford Spiced rum mixer, which is cinnamon and ginger. So they're apparently rather good. Then our next little drink is barrel smoked cola. So I think Coca-Cola do some sort of smoky one as well. But yeah, we'll give that a try. And they gave us 2 of those. So we can try different rums with it. See what we like. This cute little fella. Sanita lime juice. Freshly squeezed from 10 limes. The ingredients are just lime and potassium metabisulfate, or however you'd like to pronounce it. So maybe it's good. We will definitely be trying that, and we're definitely going to be doing a daiquiri with this rum and that. And we can always use this cute little pouch of pineapple bartender syrup. So just a simple pineapple lime sugar water in the cutest little pouchy. So that's all good. And because it's Easter soon, the Flat Baker little yummy Easter cake. So that looks delish. And the thing that we're here for, the thing we're always here for, Tanduay, who knows? Double rum, blended and matured. A 16-year-old and a 5-year-old from the Philippines. So this is my first Philippine rum. We were just discussing the other night in the after live show for Steve the Barman, different rums from around the world, and maybe we should be traveling our taste buds a little bit more. So very excited to try that. I've looked up the price. Doesn't appear in the UK. The closest I found was California, which was $43. Which works out about £40. Comes in a rather splendid box. Always like having those. That's a good thing. Yeah, so that's really exciting little rum, actually. Totally looking forward to that. And you get the Rumspiration issue 24 magazine. I choose the regular rum, but if you chose the spiced option, you'd get Flat Cat rum, vanilla and cherry, which actually sounds rather delicious. So that gives you a little bit of temptation on whether to go for one or both. So there we are. Very pleased. Totally worth its value because it's £40. So definitely happy days and chin chin.